everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the search button. To access the search button, we will need to be on a Manage Grid page. Those range from the Manage Contacts, Companies, Opportunities, Tasks, and Initiative pages. Each of those Manage Grid pages have a similar functioning search button. So once you understand one, you will know how it works on all of them. So let's get started. For this example, we will go to the Manage Contacts grid page, then we will select the search button, and the search button is an advanced search within the grid. So first we will have to select one or multiple columns you want to search by. Then click on search and it will filter and pull up all the contacts associated with the company. There are a variety of different options and ways to search to narrow down exactly what you are looking for. One last thing with the search by option, when you are picking columns to filter by, you can either clear everything by clicking on the clear button, or you can click on the trash can icon, which will delete that one individual option/criteria. For example, if we have first name, last name, and contact email, but I don't need email anymore, then I can click on the trash can icon to delete email, but keep first name and last name in the search criteria. Hopefully this quick run through helps you search and navigate in your grids a lot faster. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.